Government has issued stringent COVID-19 measures aimed at containing the surge in numbers in 11 counties in Nyanza and the North Rift regions. The measures released by the Ministry of Health restricts the number of people in social gatherings to 15 and the enforcement of burial protocols. Jane Goin with more details.
The Ministry of Health is putting 11 counties in the Nyanza and North Rift regions on alert, with projections showing that the rate of infection in the counties was bound to increase over the next 2 months. According to a letter by Dr. Patrick Amoth, those listed as being at risk of recording surges in COVID-19 cases between June and July, and now cautioned to strictly follow the infection prevention and control measures, are residents of Kisumu, Siaya, Homa Bay, Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, Busia, Vihiga, Bungoma, Kericho and Bomet counties. Dr. Amoth directing these counties to limit the numbers of people attending social gatherings to 15, weddings and funeral ceremonies to a maximum of 30 and 50 people respectively. The 11 counties also directed to ramp up contact tracing to ensure those exposed to the virus are quickly isolated and treated. The move coming in the wake of increased COVID-19 cases in Kisumu County. Genomic testing conducted in the confirmed cases showing that the county has been hit by 3 variants: the Delta variant, which was first detected in India, the South African and UK variant. However, it is the Indian variant linked to severe cases. Over the past 2 weeks, Kisumu has recorded a daily increase in the number of infections, the last month alone accounting for over 5,000 new infections. In the last 24 hours, Kisumu topped the country's new cases at 129. Professor Hamarogo, who heads the Nyanza region COVID-19 surveillance team, projects a sharp increase in the coming days owing to the increased movement during the recently concluded Madaraka Day celebrations.
The COVID situation in Kisumu and the Lake region is upward, and it is worrying because the Madaraka Day celebration was just a few days ago, and we expect that would peak in about 14 days.
But he warns that the public too are to blame for the increasing numbers. Most have dropped the ball.
There is very, very little vaccination, for example, but we are still behaving as if vaccination has arrived, and we can therefore drop our guns in terms of personal protection.
Already the county government has instituted containment measures owing to the spike in the number of infections, including suspending the provision of non-essential services until further notice, closing its county offices and conducting inspections across the county to ensure adherence to COVID-19 protocols. And today, Homa Bay County moved to put its house in order after 4 infections were recorded at its health department, pushing the leadership to shut down the offices.
We don't want to cause any panic. The situation is under control. Our team are able to contain the situation.
With the rising infections in the Nyanza counties also attributed to the conduct of events including funerals, Homa Bay Deputy Governor Hamilton Orata urged the public to follow burial protocols.
We appeal to our people to stop this ceremonial send-off due to the circumstances. Let the loved one who has passed on, who are expired, go in peace. But please, the responsibility should be to those who are alive.
Chemutai Go in Citizen TV.